Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Fausto Pugliese, back again for Tip of the Day from CyberTrade University. Today we're going to talk about to understand the differences of what is a good day trading stock and what is a bad day trading stock. Now, a lot of you out there are probably browsing the internet, listening to other, people that will tell you this is a better stock than others. And you know what? They're not that they're bad stocks. Is that, being a good trader, you have to understand it's all about risk to reward. And a lot of us want to get into day trading, but you feel that you can't afford it. So what do? You do second protocol. You go into trading options, or you go into swing trading because you feel that you want to trade something and you think that's the only thing that's out there, but it's just too expensive. Now, if some of you have read my book or have seen me in previous webinars, I tell you a little bio about me, but just really briefly, just to kind of give you a little history about me, is that I started over 22 years ago, and I started CyberTrade University, and we've been doing this ever since, and we love what I do, and I love what I do, and I've seen a lot of people come and go in this industry and became very successful, and also became very successful losers. Now, before I started, I was a very successful loser because I was trained, in a way of being self-taught by thinking that you could only trade the things that you watch on TV or hear the news that will actually be more attractive, stocks like Amazon and Google and, any of those big brand name stocks, Facebook. And you think that, well, they're great, they're moving today, but I can't trade them. Well, that's a false misconception, okay? There are a lot of really good stocks out there you could trade it, and I want to talk about two of them specifically today, of a good one and a bad one. Let's start off with two very big popular stocks you probably heard of, and one of them is called Nike. Now, Nike was a really nice day trade stock today. You could see it had some great pre-market trading. It's up about 8% today. Stock traded 18 million shares. All the things that you're looking for. Really nice pop at the open. It went from 56 in a matter of 15 minutes, went to like 57.80. Everything that will make a very profitable trade. But, yes, there is a but. When you're dealing with more expensive stocks, you're dealing with more experienced market makers in the industry, so it makes the stock extremely volatile, very risky. You also need more money to trade it, okay? And that also makes it very risky. So can you make money? Absolutely, but you're not in the making money business first. You're in the risk factor. And here at CyberTrade University, one of the number one things I train you to do is we focus on tradable versus non-tradable stocks. Now, you might see this as being a very big winner, but there are other stocks out there that would have gave you less risk with more reward. And let me tell you which was one of our favorites, and you could also see the videos of these stock picks that we did put on our Twitter page before the market opened up, and also I did a YouTube video regarding of the morning meeting that we do every morning, that we post every day, of one thing that we liked. And the stock that I want to bring up is something called CHFS, CHFS. Now, hopefully some of you looked at this one, but look at the long-term stock of the stock. This stock was a $12 stock, got decimated all the way down to $1. Now, look what happened over the last couple of days. Here's a stock right out of the gate at 9:30, had a really nice push. Let me just blow up the screen so you guys can see a little bit better, okay? And I'll even zoom out for what happened the last couple of days. But look at this stock, how it had made a nice move. Now, I know that some of you might look at this as a penny stock. It's not a penny stock, because any stock that does not show you level 2 quotes would not be on the NASDAQ National. So it is a NASDAQ National stock. But the thing is this. I'm not in the business to dissect, well, what does it do? Why is it up? That's irrelevant. That's not day trading. What day trading is all about is what you're seeing right here. At 9:30 this morning, that stock went from $1.20, and in a matter of the same amount of time, in less than 30 minutes, it ran to $1.60. Now, if you do the math, $1.20 minus $1.60 is 40 cents. To buy 1,000 shares of stock right there would have cost you $1,200. You made $400. If you do that every single day, you're making a six-figure salary in 30 minutes. Who doesn't want that? Now, Where is it now? Why is it up? That's irrelevant, and you can look at some other previous YouTube videos that we've done that will teach you a little bit more, or you can come and join us in our live trading room, and you'll be happy to see it all day long. But the goal of today's webinar, recording that I'm doing, it's kind of focused the difference of why you should not be trading more expensive stocks versus trading less expensive stocks, because at the end of the day, can you have made $400 trading a stock like Nike? Absolutely, but you would have the risk, over $50,000 to do that. You could have traded this one, risk $1,000, which is literally 50 times less money with the same amount of reward. And that is your tip of the day. The tip of the day, ladies and gentlemen, is you don't need a lot of money to day trade. You just have to find the right team and the right educator and mentor, like the people here at CyberTrade University, to show you how to do it. Thanks for listening, and keep looking and following us on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube on more upcoming events or our past ones that we've done of tips of the day of how to be a successful day trader. Thank you. Enjoy your weekend.